Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mrs. Hamilton. Good morning, everyone.
Welcome to our Schools Challenge quiz. Now today, what day is today? What day? Someone from the other days? Yes.
Thursday.
Yes, it's Thursday, but what are we celebrating today? Yes, Ahmed?
International Day of Women and Girls Science.
Right, International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Alright, well done. And so you have studied for your quiz, and now we're going to participate in a quiz. It's year 4. We have Ash class versus Paula. So give them a round of applause. Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
What does the E stand for in STEM? Yes?
Engineering.
Correct. Holly class. What does the T stand for in STEM?
Technology.
Right. What is the name given to the study of making machines that can learn just like humans?
AI. Artificial intelligence.
Correct. Well done. Holly class, true or false? Over the past 100 years, men have been doing more in STEM areas.
True.
Incorrect. It's false. Women. Which of these women in STEM worked for the US Navy and cracked many different codes that stopped enemy spies? So listen carefully. I'm going to give you choices and you tell me whether it's A, B, or C. Is it A, Jennifer Doudna? Is it B, Elizabeth Smith Friedman? Or is it C, Donna Strickland?
B.
Well done. Remember the question. Correct. It's Elizabeth Smith Friedman. Fifi Lee invented something called ImageNet.
True.
Correct. True or false? Holly class. Joel Burks worked for a large company that sold engineering parts when she left Google.
True.
Correct. Well done, and that's the end of section 1. Can we give them a round of applause? So I'm going to ask the question, and who presses the buzzer first will get an opportunity to answer. You will gain 2 points for each correct answer, and you will lose 2 points for each incorrect answer. So you have to listen carefully. So it's about listening and speed. Jennifer Doudna was awarded a Kavli Prize in 2018. Holly class. Correct. Which of the following is not a type of science? Listen, which of the following is not a type of science? Is it A, chemistry? Is it B, physics? Or is it C, professor? Ash class. Correct. All right. Well done, everyone. Let's clap. And that's the end of our school challenge quiz. Can we have the scores? All right. So Ash class finishes on 9 points and Holly class on 13 points. So the winner of our school challenge quiz is Holly class. Number 1. What does the E stand for in STEM?
Engineering.
Correct. Hope class. What does the T stand for in STEM?
Technology.
With confidence.
Technology.
Correct. Chestnut. Which of these women in STEM worked for the US Navy and cracked many different codes that stopped enemy spies? So listen carefully. Is it A, Jennifer Doudna? Is it B, Elizabeth Smith Friedman? Or is it C, Donna Strickland?
Elizabeth Smith Friedman.
Correct. Now, this is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and tell me the name of this scientist.
Joel Brooks.
Joel Brooks. Correct? Oak class, this is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the scientist. Collaborate. Good.
Fifi Lee.
Correct. True or false? Chestnut. Fifi Lee invented something called ImageNet.
True.
Correct. True or false? Joel Burks worked for a large company that sold engineering parts when she left Google. Collaborate.
False.
Incorrect, it's true. Alright, that's the end of section 1. Can I have a round of applause? Right, we're moving now to section 2. Section 2 is a section where I'm going to throw questions out. You're going to press the buzzer if you know the answer. You will gain 2 points for the correct answer. You will lose 2 points for the incorrect answer. Remember now, if I'm asking the question and you press the buzzer, I'm going to stop asking and you have to answer the question. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready? Before I start, just test your buzzers, please. Listen carefully. What is the name of the American government group that investigates crime? Correct. Number 4. Which woman in STEM began her career by creating a software program to help predict the weather? Chestnut?
Margaret Hamilton.
Correct. Number 14. Which of the following is Donna Strickland's contribution to STEM? Listen carefully. Is it A, setting up a part pick, which is an application that lets customers take photo of the part they want for their smartphones? Or is it B, researching how DNA is made? Or is it C, inventing special high-powered lasers that can help with laser eye surgery? C, correct. So that's the end of section 2, and that's the end of our quiz for today. Everyone looking at me? Alright, let's clap that audience. Let's have the score at the end of section 2. That ended on 14. Right? So we are going for a tiebreaker and we have to have a winning team. So I'm going to ask one more question and the first person to answer, whether it's correct or incorrect, we'll have a winner. Are you ready? Good. So, what are black holes? O class.
Dangerous places in space you need to avoid.
Well done. So the winner would be O class. Well done. Rowan class. What does a T stand for in STEM?
Technology.
Correct. Hawthorne class. What is the name given to the part of the cells that make up every living thing?
DNA.
Correct. Rowan class. What is the name given to the study of making machines that can learn just like humans?
Artificial intelligence or AI.
Very good. Well done. True or false? Fifi Lee invented something called ImageNet.
True.
Correct. And good teamwork. Rowan class. True or false? Joel Burks worked for a large company that sold engineering parts when she left Google.
True.
Correct. Well done. That's the end of section 1. Can you give them a round of applause? Listen carefully. And good luck to everyone. Let's begin. Now we're going to first start with a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this scientist. Author?
Margaret Hamilton.
Correct. Number 2. What is the name of the American government group that investigates crime? Author?
Federal Bureau Investigation.
Correct. Jennifer Doudna was awarded a Kavli Prize in 2018. Yeah?
True.
Correct. Which woman in STEM began her career by creating a software program to
Margaret Hamilton.
correct? True or false? Margaret Hamilton is a French software specialist.
Yeah, true.
False. She's an American. Which 2 women were born in Canada?
Cole Fury and Donna Strickland.
Thank you. They have prepared well. They did not even listen to the options. So that's good. Ready? Number 16. Spell the word technology. Author?
Technology.
Correct. What is the name of the tool that is a powerful narrowing rod?
Laser.
Correct. Which of the following is not, listen, which of the following is not a type of science? Is not a type of science. Is it A, chemistry? Is it B, physics? Or is it C? Correct. Now we have come to the end of section 2. Sit, come on, sit. At the end of our quiz, let's clap everyone.